Kani kalong ka khubor sa Chief Minister jong ka Jilla Meghalaya. Ken riutli ki Bnai kala Ïaid hadin bag expert committee kala pha ya ka report sa ka sarkar Jilla. Nrai kalong ka basngusi bag sarkar Jilla kampat shimla penmara ba ya kani ka report hadu minta. Wat hadin ba ka party kala ai ka jingtho Bunsien ban Pynkynmaw ba kidai ban penmara ba no ya kani ka report. Lada ka sarkar kadang yai pinslem party kan haban shim ya ka sen jam ban panlong daga jinge ki pat ba sa shi sen pat ha kini ki kindiat sngi ba ki kindiat por ki ban wan. This is an open statement to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. 6 months had lapsed since the submission of the report by the expert committee. However, the state government seems not to be willing to make it public till today, despite repeated reminders from the party. Therefore, in this connection, the party would be compelled to resume its agitation if the government failed to announce the report of the expert committee immediately. Thank you.